Hi guys, today I will be making butter cake with hot milk. I will be using 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup flour, half cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon baking powder. First, I'm going to put my 2 eggs in my bowl. Along with my half cup of sugar. But first, I'm going to mix up my eggs. Then I'm going to add my sugar. And mix. I'm gonna add my 1 teaspoon vanilla in there. And mix. Okay. Then I will put my stove on in the back. And I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt. I will go ahead and add my milk. let it cook for a minute. So the milk and the butter is cooking up. Stir it. So, okay, now it's time to put my hot butter and milk in my sugar and my eggs. So hot butter and milk in my sugar and my eggs. Put all of that in there and mix. Then you want to add a little bit of flour at a time. Make sure you sift your flour. This is already sifted. And 1 teaspoon baking powder. Last amount must always be flour. Okay, you want to take your spoon, make sure you get all that in there, right? So this is how it looks after you mix it up. And then you can prepare your baking pan, but in the meantime, you need to turn on your oven. I'll put mine on 350. Okay, and you want to grease your baking pan before you put in your cake mix. I always grease and flour my pan. Flour it with a little bit of flour like this. Make sure you get it all around the edge. Like that. That way it's easier to come out the pan. And it's time to put it in there. Get all of it in there. And if you want a bigger cake, you can always just double your ingredients if you want a big cake. Nice cake. So you want to put it in your, I'm baking it in my toaster oven on the second rack. And we're going to see what that looks like in about 35 to 45 minutes. So it's 35 minutes time. See what the cake looks like. Oh, it's done. You can turn it off. And take it out. Oh. This is 35 minutes time, guys. It is hot. We're gonna let it cool before we take it out and cut it. But first, let's see what it looks like. You want to butter it. Butter the top while it's hot. Get a little piece of butter and butter it while it's hot. So this was 35 minutes in the oven. We're gonna let it cool, then we're gonna cut it and see what it tastes like. We let it cool for a couple minutes before we cut it. So we're gonna cut the cake and see what it tastes like. But this is how the cake looks when it's done. Okay. So guys, this is what the cake looks like. Yummy cake. This is what the cake looks like, and it's really light. Nice cake. Nice yummy cake. And look at the bottom. Beautiful cake. Perfect. See? Perfect cake. Time to eat some cake. Nice and soft and light. Taste up, guys. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.